Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm sure you're wondering what this is, this little mess here. Well, I am going to be destashing in the next couple of days, and what I have here to destash is some really cool stamps and dies. And there's a lot in here, and it's a lot to get through, so I've got to get that all filmed and organized and everything for you guys. But I'm very anxious to get my craft room finished. I've been organizing, and this is stuff I just have not used for a really long time. And there's some really good stuff in here. There's lots of really fun diversion dies here. I do have some wooden stamps. Some of them are holiday themed. I've got Halloween type ones. I have got Sizzix Thinlit dies. I've got the Steel Rule dies even. I've got a few of these from Sizzix. This is the clock one, I believe. I've got brand new Doris embossing folders, brand new, never used. Yeah. You know, some spellbinders. This is a Stampin' Up stamp set. I've got Lawn Fawn stamps and dies that go with it. This is a stamp and die set, Alice in Wonderland. I think I've only used these two stamps and that, maybe the cat too. I don't know. But everything is here. So gently used, and there's the dies for that. This is a vintage one. I've got this fun Christmas die here. Never used it. Never used it. It's a Spellbinders. I've got Tim Holtz stuff. This is a stamp and die set. This is Stamp It from Australia. Never used. Look at that, brand new. Never used. A few Stampendous things in a winter theme. This is Inka Dinka Doo, I think. Yes, this is Inka Dinka Doo. I've got a few of those. Also not used or gently used. This brand new die from Dynamics, the Snow Globe. Never used it. This is also brand new. This is Elizabeth Craft Designs, and it's for a pop-up card. Never used it. More embossing folders. Brand new stamp from Michaels, Snowflake. This I've never used. This I got when I was in the US 2 years ago. Spellbinders, Shapeabilities. You know, so there's lots here. I've got alterations. You know, so there's a lot here, and I'm going to be putting them, speaking of a lot, in lot sets. So I'm not selling things individually because I would be here forever if I put one video for that and one video for that. I'm not doing that. I'm making them into lot sets. They'll be a good price because I want them gone. But shipping will not be included because some of these items, such as the Steel Rule dies, are very heavy. So I will not be including shipping in the price. You will have to pay for your shipping, but other than that, you will get a bargain because I want this stuff gone. So please stay tuned for that, and I will be back soon. So take care, guys. Bye-bye.